Now in the previous video I added some material to our model, so I added some more material to it, and let's get started about the editing of the material in this SketchUp software. So we can edit the material what we have in our SketchUp, like if we go to the present home of our materials, these are all the materials that we have used applied on our text in the model, and we have ability to change these materials. So let's try with blacktop new. So I have used this blacktop new, I think, from here, and this is our road. And if I want to edit this color, what I will go in edit, and we have this particular set of options where I have this color picker, and even the darkness and what I would say, you can change the color try by up and down, as well as we have texturing. Right now this material is using a textured image, and this is the scale we have, and we have the opacity option. So I'll go first. We have the color picker where we have number of options to pick our color, whether it is color wheel, HLS, HSB and RGB, and I'll just use with color wheel. And right now we have this JPEG, so I'll start with some color, like I'll go and pick, this is our color picker, and with the use of this I can pick this color, and this is the color I have used here. Now I want to change color of this thing, so I'll go under the edit. You can see this is a color, and what I will do, I will change the color, and you can see the color of this particular post is changing when I am dragging my cursor around color wheel, and even I can make it more light or more dark with this dragger. And what I do, I make it a little brownish, and so you can see I have changed the color here, and even here the color has been changed. Earlier it was gray, now it is little bit brown. Even under the edit I can change the name of this custom brown, and enter, and you can see we wait, and you can see now we have custom brown written here. So similarly we can change the other textured or color material. Let's try with another. If I go, this is the wooden texture we used, and now we can see this is the color of this thing that we have. So if the texture is not loaded, the color will be of this particular surfaces will be like this. But right now we can see it is using a wood texture, and even you can change the texture of this particular wood by you browsing and putting your own texture. And even you can edit this texture in external software like Photoshop or other softwares like Substance Painter. You have multiple software for that even. And thereafter that we have the option to scale our texture. So if I want this texture to be little bit smaller, so instead of 5 feet I'll write it here 3 feet, and it has reduced his size. So if it is not that much visible, I will make it 1 feet. Now you can see the textures grew slow and got slow, and got small, and you can see Even let's try with another example. Like I want to make these gravels little bit bigger. What I will do, I will select the color or material, and this is the ground cover we have. Under the edit, we can change the size. So if I want to make it 10 feet to 24 inch, 10 inch to 24 inch, and enter, you can see the gravel size are now increased. And even this is the thing which is helping us to maintain the aspect ratio, which is really helpful while editing any material. So you can see it's really simple to change and edit material in SketchUp. So this is the thing that I want to share you with, like the way we can edit material in SketchUp. So try this by yourself, and even you can create your own material that I will be covering in next chapter. And I just want to I just want to say that try this thing by yourself. You will find it really simple for you, and you will be able to put material in any surfaces and by editing by yourself. So that's all for this chapter. Thank you.